Hello students, in this video we will discuss about independent events. What is the independent events? As you know that independent means there is no dependent upon each other. Here independent events stated that two events will be independent or two events will be said to independent if the probability of occurrence of one of them is not affected by occurrence of other. That means suppose one event have already occurred and if you want to find the probability of another event of the same sample space, and if the probability of second event is not depend upon the probability of first event which have already occurred, then this type of event is known as independent event. Now, if E and F are two events of sample spaces, sample space S, sample space S means same sample space S, then by the definition of independent event, P of E slash F will be equal to P of E. P of E slash F equal to P of E, where P of E not equal to 0. Sorry, P of F not equal to 0, and P of F slash E is equal to P of F, where P of E not equal to 0. Since as you see here, meaning of P of E slash F is the probability of event E when F event have already occurred. This is the conditional probability, and if this will be equal to probability of E, that means if you want to find the probability of E after probability F event already has occurred, then there is no affected of the probability of E, then this type of events will be known as independent event. In both situations, events E and F both are independent event. By conditional probability, P of E slash F is equal to P of E intersection F upon P of F. Therefore, P of E intersection F will be equal to P of F into P of E slash F. Since P of E slash F, if E and F are independent events, where E and F are independent event, then what will be happen? P of F into P of E slash F, this will be equal to P of E. If E and F are the independent event, then by the definition of the independent event, P of E slash F equal to P of E. This will be P of F into P of E. That means we can say that P of E intersection F will be equal to P of F into P of E, or similarly we can write P of F intersection E will be equal to P of E into P of F. Since both results are same, there is no difference between both. P of E intersection F and P of F intersection E both are same, and here also P of F into E P of F into P of E or P of E into P of F, both are same. So we can say that if E and F are two independent event, then P of E intersection F equal to P of F into P of E, or P of F intersection E equal to P of E into P of F. Now in the next video we will discuss about next definition about independent events.